Planet Earth, a stage of endless wonders. From lush jungles to icy plains, life thrives. Wild animals in their natural habitat captivate us. Their struggle for survival is a story as old as time, a ballet of power and grace. We watch, mesmerized by their every move, the hunt, the chase, the fight for survival. But what if we could slow down time? Slow motion unveils a world beyond our perception. A cheetah's sprint becomes a symphony of motion. Muscles ripple beneath its spotted coat, each stride a testament to raw power. A hummingbird's wings, a blur to the naked eye. Frozen in time, they dance. Delicate feathers cutting through the air, a testament to nature's intricate design. Underwater, a different ballet unfolds. A dolphin, sleek and agile, glides through the current. Each twist and turn, a masterpiece of aquatic grace. The camera lens, our window to this hidden world. It dives and soars, capturing the action from every angle. A bird's eye view reveals the vastness of the landscape. The animals, small figures in a grand tapestry. Close-ups amplify the drama. The intensity in a predator's eyes, the desperate struggle of its prey, every detail magnified, drawing us deeper into their world. These slow-motion shots are more than just entertainment. They are a glimpse into the very essence of life. The power, the fragility, the intricate beauty of the natural world. By freezing these fleeting moments, we gain a newfound appreciation for the animals we share this planet with and for the delicate balance of life on Earth.